Boaters, start your engines. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Shane Forrest.
1 minute to mill time.
Bill Duffner. Art Bruno.
45 seconds to mill time.
Ronnie and Richard Romero's judging.
30 seconds to mill time. "15 seconds to mill time.
Carl Lovelace.
That green boat needs to hold their lane.
26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everyone's a good start. Forrest got the lane. Had the lane, went out. Art has the point. Oh, Art gave up the lane. Oh, dead boat, point at turn one. You got some drivers out there in a drink. Shane Forrest did not finish. Woo! Nice. Barrel roll, it keeps on going. 3 down for your leader. Don't forget those drivers in that dead boat. Carl's my second place. Bill's my third. Watch them drivers. Dead boat, back straightaway at turn 2, turn 1. Coming out of turn 1, dead boat. He's out wide. There you go. As Duffner did not finish. This is going to be a final lap.
Final lap. Final lap.
Oh, dead boat. Bring it right in there, Art. Bring it right in. Art, first place. Everyone else did not finish.
Art Bruno done.
Boaters, start your engines. "1 minute, 15 seconds to mill time.
Richard Sekagawa.
Caleb. Caleb.
1 minute to mill time.
Got a dead boat right here. Get that stick.
Cole Forrest.
That's why I said you got to eat some pickle,
45
dude.
seconds to mill time.
There you go.
Tom C.
30 seconds.
30 seconds to mill time.
All right, thank you. All right, you eat some of that pickle, dude. Put that prop garden back.
15 seconds to mill time.
Take your time. Take your time. There you go. Good job.
29, 28, 27, 26, 25,
Take your time,
24,
Rich.
23, 22, 21, 20,
Take your time.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start. Everyone's green. Forrest pulls out the lane. Woo! Oh, here we go. Got a dead boat right here in the front straight. Watch your lanes. He's still in lane 2. Lane 1, good job. Watch the dead boat out wide. Rich has the lane, or oh no, that's not Rich, that's Sakagawa. Takes over the lane. Second place. 4 down, 4 down, 4 down. Watch that dead boat floating back out. Oh, upside down, it's still running though. There you go. Excuse me, you folks over here. Can you back up? These boats will jump out of the water.
Final lap. Final lap.
Remember the dead boat. There you go. There's going to be a finish for Sakagawa.
Richard Sakagawa done. Tom C. done.
Second place is Tommy. Tommy is second. May cut the course, come around, start and cut the course right here, bring it in. First, Richard Sakagawa. Tommy Singrani is second. Lonnie and Cole did not finish. One dead boat.
Tom C. done.